We're here in the Make 3D Games in Unity class, and we're really excited to show you another project. Can you explain what's going on?
So here I have a rolling ball sort of game, and you have to collect 3 different cubes scattered all around the map, and if you collect those, then you win. But there's a catch to it. There's an AI chasing you, and if the AI touches you, then you respawn and all your cubes are gone.
Okay, let's dive in.
Okay, so I'm gonna hit start here, and you see the AI is the white one chasing me around, and when it touches me, like so, it respawns me right at the start. So,
and then you've collected none of the golden cubes.
Yeah,
at that point.
and then they all reset.
Okay.
So I've collected probably around, let's say 4 now, and I respawn, and those 4 are already back.
Oh wow, okay. And then what happens? I'm not going to make you do the whole thing, but what happens if you collect all of the cubes without respawning?
If you collect all of them, then a screen pops up saying that you won, and you can just run around if you want to, or you can like pause and look at all the code.
Okay.
So,
cool. All right, so let's actually jump into that code there.
yeah, okay. So here's the code of how I made the AI, and it's...
Can you zoom in?
It doesn't look like I can really zoom in.
Okay.
So here I have, it's talking about the player right here, and, oh wait, that's the death zone. Here we go. So it's talking about the player and the float speed. That the speed thing is showing, like you can modify the speed of the AI and see how fast it can track you. The player is just telling the AI that you want to follow the player. So, and here, right here, it's talking about transform position. This whole line of code is basically just telling the AI how to move.
Okay.
So.
So is this an AI that's going to like take over the world? Like how many things is this AI focused on?
This AI right now is just focused on following the player.
Okay,
And
gotcha.
that's it. Luckily it's not one that'll take over the world, but it is one that will definitely add a kick to your game.
Yeah. Unless like you don't want to be followed.
Yeah.
And then you're in trouble. This is the wrong game for you.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, well, thank you so much. Is there anything else you wanted to share?
Not right now, no.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.